To get a Barclays credit card, you need to meet the eligibility criteria and follow a straightforward application process. First, check if you are eligible by reviewing the criteria on the Barclays website, which typically includes being at least 18 years old, having a regular income, and being a UK resident. Next, choose the Barclays credit card that suits your needs, considering factors such as interest rates, rewards, and fees. Barclays offers a range of credit cards, including cashback, balance transfer, and purchase cards. Compare the features and benefits of each card to select the one that best fits your financial situation and spending habits. Once you have selected a credit card, gather the required documents, which may include proof of identity, address, and income. You can apply for the credit card online, by phone, or in a Barclays branch. The online application process is usually the quickest and most convenient option, taking around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. When applying, you will need to provide personal and financial information, including your name, address, date of birth, employment details, and income. You will also need to specify your credit limit and provide information about your financial history. After submitting your application, Barclays will review your credit history and assess your creditworthiness. If your application is approved, you will receive your credit card within 7 to 10 working days. If your application is declined, you can contact Barclays to discuss the reasons and potentially reapply in the future. To increase your chances of being approved, make sure you have a good credit history, meet the eligibility criteria, and provide accurate and complete information on your application. It is also essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of the credit card, including the interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. By following these steps and considering your financial situation and needs, you can successfully apply for a Barclays credit card and enjoy the benefits and rewards it offers. Remember to always use your credit card responsibly and make timely payments to maintain a healthy credit history.